The Clean Green Committee of the Workforce Development Board of Ventura County strives to increase awareness of the value of hiring employees with knowledge of sustainable business practices. The following video illustrates how Clean Green practices improves organizational performance and profitability.
I'm Mike Gerber. I'm the Chief Engineer at the Ventura Beach Marriott. I oversee all the maintenance with the building, and today we're going to discuss some of the conservation methods that we use at the hotel and how we look to conserve and reserve where we can. The first item I'm going to point out is our HVAC. This will be within our guest rooms. The entire building is set up as a coil system. We have heat pumps, we have a chiller up on the roof, and we have boilers up on the roof, and they therefore pump hot and cold water through the entire building. We have a thermostat in each room. This is one of our older thermostats, and I'll at a future time show you the new thermostats and how they work. These can operate a certain temperature and hold that temperature in a room. These don't work like a regular air conditioner. These run either cold water or hot water through a coil, and then a fan blows across the coil, forcing the air either to be cold or hot, depending upon which water is running through the system at the time. With the new rooms, they have a different thermostat in them. This thermostat is not only programmable to a certain degree, but it has occupancy sensors in it, and it has a tie to the door, so we can tell when somebody's actually in the room or when they vacated, and the system will turn itself off when a guest has left the room. It also allows us to have a little bit of control down in our offices. If somebody wants us to adjust the temperature, if we know a guest is coming in at a certain time, we can pre-cool or pre-warm the room so that it's ready for them. So those are some of the energy efficient ways that we can take care of things without wasting the energy while nobody's using the room. We've also come in all the lights in this room. There's no longer any light bulbs. All the lights are now LEDs, which are light emitting diodes. They're much more efficient, and we can choose the color that we want in the room that we seem best fits the area. So same with our bathrooms, same with our new hallways. Back of house, everything's going to LED because of the amount of energy that they save. When hiring new personnel at the hotel, it's not critical that they have the training as far as being energy efficient or following the green laws and things like that. But when they get here, we do run them through all of our programs. We run them through how we water, how we clean things, and how we work to be the most efficient that we can be here at the hotel. Marriott encourages us to be eco-friendly and to build our hotel in a manner that is energy efficient and conservation minded. We want to appeal to the people in the world that are looking to stay in a hotel that follows these practices. And so, along with our water conservation, gas conservation, electricity, we've tried to implement programs that allow us to be as efficient as we can. The lights were some examples. In the near future, we'll be bringing in electric charge stations for those that are trying to drive vehicles that don't use as much gas, either full electric or hybrids. And we want to have stations here that will allow them to charge at our hotel. Not only does that appeal to more people and allows us to generate the money from that source, but it also helps the environment, and I think Marriott is very interested in conserving the earth and helping out in that way. Another way the hotel tries to stay eco-friendly is by using plants around the hotel that don't use a lot of water. These are drought-tolerant plants, and we don't have a lot of grasses and other plants that use water. We've used decomposed granite to cover the ground and keep the weeds down.